we'll guide you through how to set up Stripe notifications. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Developers section. There, you'll find an option called Webhooks, which is essential for setting up notifications. Click on Webhooks, and then you can go ahead and click on the Add Destination button. Now, in the URL field, enter the endpoint URL where you want to receive the notifications. It's crucial to make sure this URL is correct so that you receive real-time updates. Next, you can choose which events you'd like to be notified about. These events can range from successful payments to refunds. Select the events that are important for your business operations. After selecting the events, click on Add Endpoint at the bottom to save your settings. If you want to test your configuration, Stripe provides a test mode option that you can use to simulate events. This helps ensure that your notification setup is functioning correctly without affecting live transactions. Remember, keeping your endpoint secure is important, so consider using HTTPS for your URL. With that, your Stripe notifications are set up and ready to go. You'll now receive updates directly to the endpoint you specified, making it easier to keep track of important transactions without constantly checking the Stripe dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.